This is one more important chapter for Eamcet. Vectors. This is 6 marks weightage. 6 marks weightage in Eamcet. Both vector addition and multiplication of vectors. Multiplication of vectors. This is one of the most important, easiest chapter for Eamcet exams. This is also important for AP Eamcet students also. This is 6 marks weightage in Eamcet exams. So now I go to explain 2021 Eamcet problems. This is first question. So Eamcet 2021 4th August shift 1 question. So if the vectors minus 3i plus 4j plus lambda k and mu I plus 8j plus 6k are collinear, then the value of lambda minus mu is dash. Then the value of lambda minus mu. If two vectors a1x plus a1i plus a2j plus a3k, b1i plus b2j plus b3k are collinear. Collinear means a1 by b1 is equal to a2 by b2 is equal to a3 by b3. This is the condition for collinearity. Here is given vectors is minus 3i bar plus 4j bar plus lambda k bar and mu I bar plus 8j bar plus 6k bar are collinear. That is minus 3 by mu is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to lambda by 6. Equating these two, that is minus 3 by mu is equal to 4 by 8. This is 1 by 2. So from this mu is equal to minus 3 into 2. So mu value is minus 6. And equating these two, so that is 4 by 8 is equal to lambda by 6. That is lambda by 6 is equal to 4 by 8. This is 2 times cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 2. Lambda is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So lambda value is 3. Now we find lambda minus mu. Lambda minus mu. Lambda is 3 minus of mu. This is minus 6. That is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So therefore lambda minus mu is equal to 9. This is the required answer. This is second question from Eamcet 2021. This is 4th August shift 1 question. It is the angle between the vectors, that is a bar is given, that is a bar is equal to 2k bar minus 3j bar, that is equal to, this is minus 3j bar plus 2k bar, and b bar is given, that is I bar minus 2k bar. We know that angle between the vectors cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by mod a bar into mod b bar. This is the formula. So applying this formula, so cos theta is equal to minus 3j bar plus 2k bar dot I bar minus 2k bar by mod a bar, that means under root of minus 3 whole square plus 2 square, and mod b bar under root of 1 square plus minus 2 whole square, that is minus 3j dot I0 minus 3j dot minus 2k 0 2k dot I0 plus 2k minus 2k. This is minus 4 by under root of 9 plus 4 13. This is 1 plus 4, this is 5, that is equal to minus 4 by 13 into 5, that is 65. So cos theta is equal to minus 4 by root 65. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 4 by root 65. This is the required answer. This is third question from Eamcet 2021. This is 4th August shift 1 question. So here is given, that is a bar plus 2b bar minus c bar dot a bar minus b bar cross into a bar minus b bar minus c bar is equal to dash. Here is dot product and cross product is there. Now we find the determinant of this, that is a bar coefficient is 1, b bar coefficient 2, c bar coefficient minus 1, and here a bar coefficient is 1, b bar coefficient minus 1, and c bar coefficient 0. Here is a bar coefficient 1, b bar coefficient minus 1, c bar coefficient minus 1 into box ABC is, so that is equal to, now find the determinant of this. This is 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 1 minus 0, minus 2 of 1 into minus 1, minus 1 minus 0, plus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into box ABC. That is equal to 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, this is 0, 1 plus 2 into box ABC, that is equal to 3 of box ABC. This is the required answer. This is 4th question from Eamcet 2021, 4th August shift 1 question. Here 3 vectors a bar, b bar, c bar satisfies a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0. If mod a bar is equal to 3 and mod b bar is equal to 4 and mod c bar is equal to 2, then a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar plus 2 into mod a plus mod b plus mod c value is dash. Here is given a bar plus b bar plus c bar is given, that value is 0. Now squaring on both sides, so that is mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square plus 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar bracket is equal to 0. So mod a square, that is mod a value is given 3, that is 9, plus mod b square, that is 4 square is 16, plus mod c square, that is 2 square is 4, plus 2 into, this is a bar dot b bar, b bar dot c bar, plus c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. So here 16 plus 4, 9, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 9, 29. That is 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to minus 29. From this, a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to minus 29 by 2. This is the value of a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar. Now we find the value of, that is a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar plus 2 into mod a plus mod b plus mod c. So this value a bar dot b bar, this value is minus 29 by 2 plus 2 into mod a bar, that is 3, plus mod b bar 4 plus mod c 2, that is equal to minus 29 by 2, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 into 2, 18, that is equal to minus 29 plus 2 into 18, 36 by 2, that is equal to 36 minus 29, that is, this is 7 by 2. This is the required answer. This is Eamcet 2021, 4th August shift 1 question. If A bar is equal to given, that is I bar plus J bar plus K bar, and C bar is given, that is J bar minus K bar, are given vectors, then a vector B bar satisfying the equations A bar cross B bar is equal to C bar, and A bar dot B bar is equal to 3 bar is dash. Here we find the vector B bar. So here given condition is A bar cross B bar is equal to C bar. Now I am applying A cross on both sides, that is A bar cross B bar is equal to A bar cross C bar. A bar cross B bar. This is vector triple product, that is A bar dot B bar into A bar minus A bar dot A bar into B bar is equal to A bar cross B bar means this is cross product I J K. A bar is 1 1 1 and C bar is 0 1 minus 1. So that is equal to I of minus 1 minus J of, this is minus 1 minus 0 plus K of 1 minus 0, that is equal to minus 2I plus J plus K. This is A bar dot B bar. Here A bar dot B bar is given 3, that is 3A bar minus A bar dot B bar. So A bar dot A bar is equal to mod A square. Mod A square is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 3. This is 3B bar is equal to minus 2I plus J plus K bar. From this 3B bar is equal to 3A bar, that is minus plus 2I bar minus J bar minus K bar. 3A bar, that is 3I bar plus 3J bar plus 3K bar plus 2I bar minus J bar minus K bar, that is equal to 3I plus 2I, 5I plus 3J minus J, this is 2J, 3K minus K plus 2K, this is 3B bar. So now B bar is equal to, this is 5 by 3 I bar plus 2 by 3 J bar plus 2 by 3 K bar. This is the vector B bar. Next question, this is A bar is equal to 2I minus 3J bar plus K bar, and B bar is equal to I plus 2J bar minus 3K bar, and C bar is equal to I bar minus J bar, and D bar is equal to I bar plus J bar plus XK bar. If A bar cross B cross C bar is perpendicular to D bar, then X is equal to dash. First we find the value of A bar cross B bar cross C bar. This is the vector triple product formula. This is A bar dot C bar into B bar minus B bar dot C bar into A bar. This is the formula. That is A bar dot C bar, dot product of A bar and C bar, that is 2I dot I, that is 2 minus 3J minus J, this is plus 3 into B bar, this is I plus 2J minus 3K, and B bar dot C bar, that is I dot I 1 plus 2 into 2J into minus J, this is minus 2 into A bar, that is 2I minus 3J plus K. So that is equal to 2 plus 3 5, this is 5I plus 5 into 2 10J, 5 into 3 15K, this is 15K, 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus minus into plus, this is 2I minus 3J plus K bar, that is equal to 5I plus 2I, this is 7I, 10J minus 3J, this is 7J minus 15K plus K, this is minus 14K. Now this A cross B cross C is perpendicular to D bar. That means perpendicular means dot product is equal to 0. That is A bar cross B bar cross C bar dot D bar is equal to 0. This is 7I plus 7J minus 14K dot, so d bar I plus j plus xk is equal to 0. So this is dot product, that is 7 plus 7 minus 14x is equal to 0. From this, so 7 plus 7, that is 14 minus 14x is equal to 0. From this, 14x is equal to 14. 14 cancel. X is equal to 1. So the value of x is 1. The vector in the direction of the sum of the vectors a bar and b bar is dash. So this is Eamcet 2021 question, 4th August, shift to question. So the vector in the direction means first sum of a bar and b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar, that is 2i minus 2j plus 5k minus 2i plus 5j minus 3k. Here 2i plus 2i minus 2i cancel. Minus 2j plus 5j, this is 3j plus 5k minus 3k, this is 2k. This is 3j bar plus 2k bar. So in the direction means plus, that is 3 bar, 3j bar plus 2k bar. So this vector which is parallel to yz plane, because here j bar and coefficient and k bar coefficients is there. I bar no I bar coefficients. That's why this vector is parallel to yz plane. This is Eamcet 2021, 4th August, shift to question. Consider the vectors a bar is equal to 2i bar plus 3j bar minus 6k bar, and b bar is equal to 6i bar minus 2j bar plus 3k bar, and c bar is equal to 3i bar minus 6j bar minus 2k bar. Assertion, that is 3 vectors do not form a triangle, and reason are the 3 vectors are non-coplanar. The correct option among the following is dash. First we find these vectors are coplanar or non-coplanar. Now find the determinant of that. That is a bar is 2, 3 minus 6, and b bar 6 minus 2, 3, and c bar, this is 3 minus 6 minus 2. So now find this value, that is 2 into minus 2, 4 plus 6 into 3, 18 minus 3 of, this is 6 into minus 2, minus 12 minus 3 into 3, 9 minus 6 of minus 36 plus 3 to the 6, that is equal to 2 into 18 plus 4, 22 minus 3 into, this is minus 21 minus 6 into minus 30. This is 44 plus this is 63 plus 6 3s are 18. This is not equal to 0. That means given vectors are non-coplanar. Given vectors are non-coplanar vectors. So non-coplanar vectors means the three vectors do not form a triangle. Do not form a triangle. That means here reason is correct and assertion is also correct. So reason is correct explanation of assertion for this. This is Eamcet 2021, 4th August shift 2 question. Here, if a plane is at a distance of 6 units from origin and the vector 2I bar plus 6j bar minus 3k bar is its normal, then the equation of the plane in Cartesian form is dash. So let the unit vector be. First we take unit vector is plane at a distance of 6 units from the origin. Now we take the equation of the plane in Cartesian form, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. This is normal vector. This is a normal to 2I bar plus 6j bar minus 3k bar. That means here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 6 and c is equal to minus 3. Substituting these values in the plane equation, that is 2x plus 6y minus 3z plus d is equal to 0. This is given 6 units from the origin. This is at a distance of 6 units from the origin. That means distance from origin is mod c by square root of a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 6. This is d, mod d by. Here mod d by a square under root of 2 square is 4 and 6 square 36 and 3 square 9 is equal to 6. This is 36 plus 4, 40, 40 plus 9, root 49. That is root 49 is equal to 6. From this d is equal to plus or minus 6 into 7, that is plus or minus 42. So substituting this d value in given plane equation, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Ax, that is 2x plus 6y minus 3z plus d, that is plus or minus 42 is equal to 0. Now the required answer is, that is 2x plus 6y minus 3z minus 42 is equal to 0. This is given in the options. This is the correct answer. The unit vector perpendicular to the vector I minus 2j plus 3k bar and coplanar with the vectors I plus j plus k and 2I minus j minus k bar is the unit vector which is perpendicular. First we take a vector, that is r bar is equal to, this is xi plus yj plus zk. Unit vector means modulus of r is equal to 1, that is under root of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. From this x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1, and this is perpendicular to, this r bar is perpendicular to I minus 2j plus 3k bar is equal. Perpendicular means dot product is equal to 0. Here r bar is xi plus yj plus zk dot I minus 2j plus 3k is equal to 0. From this x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. This is the second equation and this is first equation. And coplanar with the vectors. Coplanar means determinant of that is equal to 0. R bar and given two vectors. So that is r bar x, y, z. First vector ijk coefficients is 1, 1, 1 and second vector 2, minus 1, minus 1 is equal to 0. That is equal to x into minus 1 plus 1 minus y into minus 1 minus 2 plus z into minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. This is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 into minus y. This is 3y minus 3z is equal to 0. From this y is equal to z. So y value, z values are equal. Substituting y value in this equation. In second equation, that is x minus 2y plus 3z. 3z means 3y is equal to 0. From this x plus y is equal to 0. This is x is equal to minus y. So x value is minus y and y value is z. Substituting these two in first equation, that is x square plus y square plus z square. So is equal to 1. That is x square. So this is x square and y value is minus x. This is minus x whole square and z value is y. Y is minus x. This is minus x whole square is equal to 1. From this 3x square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1 by 3. That is x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 3. 1 by root 3. This is the values of x values. And now we find y and z. Y value is minus x. That is y value. Y is equal to minus x. That is minus x means minus or plus 1 by root 3. And z is equal to y. Z is equal to y. Y value is minus or plus 1 by root 3. Now substituting these three values in R bar. Therefore given vector R bar is equal to xi, that is plus or minus 1 by root 3 into y. Yj, this is minus or plus 1 by root 3 into j minus or plus 1 by root 3 into k. Take common plus or minus 1 by root 3, that is equal to, this is I minus j minus k. This is the required vector R bar, where R bar is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3 into I minus j minus k. This is the required answer. Let a bar is equal to given. This is 2i bar minus j bar plus k bar, and b bar is equal to 2j bar minus 3k bar. If b bar is equal to c bar minus d bar, if a bar is parallel to c bar and perpendicular to d bar, then c bar plus d bar is equal to dash. This is Eamcet 2021, 4th August shift 2 question. Here is a bar is parallel to c bar. Given a bar is parallel to c bar. Parallel means cross product is equal to 0. A bar cross c bar is equal to 0, or some c bar is equal to lambda into a bar. This is the condition. And a bar is perpendicular to d bar. That means dot product a bar dot d bar is equal to 0. This is the dot product 0. That is a bar dot d bar is equal to 0. And here is given relation is b bar is equal to c bar minus d bar. Now I am applying dot product for this equation. Dot product with a bar, that is a bar dot b bar is equal to a bar dot c bar minus a bar dot d bar. Here a bar dot d bar value is 0. So that is a bar dot b bar is equal to a bar dot c bar. C bar value is lambda a bar. From this lambda is equal to a bar dot b bar by mod a bar square. A bar dot d b bar, that is 2i minus j plus k dot b bar 2j minus 3k by mod a square, that is 4 plus 1 plus 1. From this lambda is equal to minus j into 2j, this is minus 2 minus 3 by 6, that is equal to minus 5 by 6. This is the value of lambda. Therefore, C bar is equal to lambda A bar. This is minus 5 by 6 into A bar. This is C value. And D bar is given from the relation C bar minus B bar. C bar is minus 5 by 6 into A bar minus B bar. Add these two, that is C bar plus D bar is equal to C bar is minus 5 by 6 A bar plus D bar. This is minus 5 by 6 A bar minus B bar. This is minus 10 by 6 A bar minus B bar. That is minus 5 by 3 A bar minus B bar. Therefore, C bar plus D bar is equal minus 5A bar minus 3B bar by 3. That is equal to minus 1 by 3 into 5A bar plus 3B bar. This is the value of C bar plus D bar. That is the required answer. Let A bar comma B bar comma C bar comma D bar are 4 vectors such that A bar is perpendicular to only C bar. That means A bar dot C bar is equal to 0. And the vector B bar is parallel to C bar minus D bar. That is, parallel means C bar minus D bar is equal to lambda B bar. This is the vector B bar is parallel to C bar. Then C bar is equal to dash. This is Eamcet 2021 4th August shift to 2 question. Here is given A bar dot C bar is equal to 0 and C bar minus D bar is equal to lambda B bar. Now I take C bar minus D bar is equal to lambda B bar. Applying dot product with A bar, that is A bar dot C bar minus A bar dot D bar is equal to lambda into A bar dot B bar. Here A bar dot C bar is 0, that is 0 minus A bar dot D bar is equal to lambda into A bar minus B bar. From this, lambda is equal to minus of A bar dot D bar by A bar dot B bar. Substituting lambda value in this equation, that is C bar minus D bar is equal to lambda B bar, that is equal to lambda, that is minus of A bar dot D bar by A bar dot B bar into B bar. From this, C bar is equal to D bar minus of A bar dot D bar by A bar dot B bar into B bar. This is the required answer. C bar is equal to D bar minus A bar dot D bar by A bar dot B bar into B bar. The position vectors of the points P and Q are respectively minus 2i minus 3j minus k bar and 3i plus 3j plus 2k bar. The ratio in which the point having the position vector divides the line segment joining P and Q is. This is Eamcet 2021 5th August shift 1 question. Here is the line segment PQ is given. This is the line segment P. This is P and this is the end point Q. P point is given, that is minus 2i minus 3j plus k. This is minus 2 minus 3 1. And Q point is, this is 3i plus 3j plus 2k. That is 3 comma 3 comma 2. And the ratio in which the point having position vector, this is taken as capital R, this is minus 9 by 2 minus 6j minus 9 by 2i minus 6j plus of k bar. This is divides the line segment PQ. This is the formula, that is R point is minus 9 by 2 minus 6 1 by 2. This point is taken as x1, y1, z1. This is P. And Q point is x2, y2, z2. And the point R is taken as x comma y comma z. Therefore, the line segment R divides the PQ in the ratio, that is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. x1, that is minus 2, minus x, this is minus of minus 9 by 2 is to minus 9 by 2 minus 3. That is equal to minus 2 plus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 minus 3. This is minus 4 plus 9. This is 5 by 2 is to minus 9 minus 2. This is minus 15 by 2. Here 2 cancelled, 5 3 times cancelled. That is equal to 1 is to minus 3. So multiplying by minus, this is minus 1 is to 3. This is the required ratio. Consider the vectors a bar is equal to 3i plus 5j plus 2k and b bar is equal to 2i minus 3j minus 5k and c bar is equal to minus 5i minus 2j plus 3k. If L comma M comma N are the lengths of the projections of a bar on b bar, b bar on c bar and c bar on a bar respectively, then dash. So this is Eamcet 2021 question, 5th August shift 1. Here L is given, that is length of projection on of a bar on b bar, that is equal to a bar dot b bar by mod b bar. This is the formula. A bar dot b bar, that is 3i plus 5j plus 2k dot b bar, this is 2i minus 3j minus 5k by mod b bar under root of 4 plus 9 plus 25. That is equal to 3 into 2 6 minus 15 minus 10 by root 25 plus 4 29 plus 9. This is root 38. So that is equal to 6 minus 15 minus 10 minus 25. This is minus 19 by root 38. That is equal to modulus of this is 19 by root 38. And M is given length of the projection on b bar dot c bar, that is b bar dot c bar by mod c bar. B bar dot c bar, applying dot product of b bar and c bar, that is 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 minus 5 into minus 3 minus 15 by mod c under root of 25 plus 4 plus 9. This is minus 10 minus 15 minus 25 plus 6. This is 19 by root 38 modulus of this. And n bar is given. N is projection, length of the projection on c bar on a bar. That means c bar dot a bar by mod a bar. C bar dot a bar, that is minus 5 into 3 minus 15 minus 2 into plus 5. This is minus 10 3 into 2 plus 6 by under root of mod c bar 25 plus 4 plus 9 minus 15 minus 10 minus 25 plus 6. This is minus 19 plus 19 modulus of, that is root 38. So all these values are equal. L is equal to M is equal to N, that is equal to 19 by root 38. So required answer is L is equal to M is equal to N. That means these projections, lengths of the projections LMN are equal. Let small x comma y belongs to R cross R and A bar is equal to xi plus 2j minus k bar and B bar is equal to 6i minus yj plus 2k bar be two vectors if modulus of a bar cross b bar whole square plus a bar dot b bar whole square is equal to f of x into g of y. Then f of x plus g of y minus 46 represents a dash. So here a bar and b bar is given are two vectors. This is Eamcet 2021 5th August shift 1 question. Here is given relation is modulus of a bar cross b bar whole square plus mod of a bar dot b bar whole square is equal to f of x into g of y. This is the formula. This is given relation. We know that mod of a bar cross b bar whole square plus mod of a bar dot b bar whole square is equal to mod a square into mod b square. That means f of x is equal to mod a square and g of y is equal to mod b square. Mod a square means that is under root of x square plus 4 plus 1. This is whole square, that is equal to x square plus 5. And mod b square, this is 36 plus y square plus 4 under root whole square, that is equal to y square plus 4. And now we find f of x, that is f of x plus g of y minus 46 is equal to 0. F of x is x square plus 5 and g of x is y square, g of y square plus 40 minus 46 is equal to 0. This is x square plus y square, 40 plus 5, 45 minus 46, this is minus 1 is equal to 0. This is x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is represents a circle. This is the equation of a circle having center at 0, 0 and radius 1. If a bar is equal to 2i bar plus 2j bar plus k bar and mod b bar is equal to 6, if the angle between a bar and b bar is 5 by 6, then the area of the triangle with a bar and b bar as two of its sides is. This is Eamcet 2021 5th August shift 1 question. Here a bar is given, that is a bar is equal to 2i plus 2j plus k. So now we find mod a bar is equal to under root of 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to root 9 is equal to 3, and mod b bar is given, that is 6, and a angle between a bar and b bar, that is angle c is equal to given, that is 5 by 6. Now find the area of the triangle. Delta is equal to, this is of mod a mod b sine c, that is equal to of into mod a, that is mod a value is 3, mod b value is 6, and sine c, this is sine pi by 6. Here 2 3 times cancel, that is 3 into 3 9 into sine 30, this is 1 by 2, that is equal to 9 by 2. Therefore delta is equal to 9 by 2. This is the area of the triangle. If r bar is a vector perpendicular to both the vectors 2i bar plus 3j bar minus 4k bar and 3i bar minus j bar plus k bar, and satisfies r bar dot 3i minus 3j plus 4k bar is equal to 5, then mod r bar is equal to dash. This is Eamcet 2021 5th August shift 1 question. Here r bar is given, that is r bar vector perpendicular to both the vectors. That means r bar is written as, that is perpendicular means lambda into, that is a bar cross b bar, that is lambda into a bar cross b bar means this is I j k. A bar vector, that is 2 3 minus 4, and b bar 3 minus 1 1. So that is equal to lambda into, find the determinant of this, that is I of 3 minus 4 minus j of 2 plus 12 plus k of minus 2 minus 9, that is equal to lambda into I into 3 minus 4, this is minus I, 2 plus 12, that is minus 14j minus 2 minus 9, this is minus 11k. This is the vector r bar. So this is the vector. Now we find mod of r bar, and given relation, that is r bar dot 3i minus 3j plus 4k bar is equal to 5. Here r bar is lambda into minus I minus 14j minus 11k dot 3i minus 3j plus 4k bar is equal to 5. That is lambda into minus I into 3, this is minus 3, minus 14 into minus 3, that is plus 42, minus 11 into 4, this is minus 44 is equal to 5. So this is 42 minus 44, minus 2 minus 3, that is lambda into minus 5 is equal to 5. From this, lambda is equal to minus 1. So substituting lambda is equal to minus 1 in r bar, that is r bar is equal to, that is r bar is equal to, here lambda is minus 1, minus 1 into, this is minus I minus 14j minus 11k. So that is r bar is equal to I plus 14j plus 11k. So from this, mod r bar is equal to under root of I coefficient is 1, that is 1 square 1, j coefficient is 1, 14 square, this is 196, k coefficient 11, that is 11 square is 121, that is equal to under root of 6 plus 1 plus 7, this value is, that is equal to 318. So modulus of r bar is equal to under root of 318. That is the required answer. The perpendicular distance from origin to the plane containing the points having position vectors I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar, 2i bar plus 3j bar minus 4k bar, and 3i bar minus 4j bar plus 5k bar is dash. This is Eamcet 2021, 5th August, shift 1 question. So first we take OP bar, that is P bar vector is x comma y comma z. Here A is given, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3, and B is 2 3 minus 4, and C is 3 minus 4 5. First we find AP bar, that is AP bar is equal to OP bar minus OA bar, that is x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3, and AB bar, that is AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar, this is 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 4 minus 3, this is minus 7, and AC bar is equal to OC bar minus OA bar, this is 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2, minus 6, 5 minus 3, 2. Now these AP bar, AB bar, AC bar are lies on a plane. Therefore, box of AP bar, AB bar, AC bar is equal to 0. Now determinant of this is x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3, 1, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 6, 2 is equal to 0. So that is equal to, this is x minus 1 into 2 minus 6 into minus 7. This is 42 minus of y minus 2 into 2 plus 7 2s of 14 plus z minus 3 into minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. This is 2 minus 42. This is minus 40 into x minus 1 minus 16 into y minus 2 minus 8 into z minus 3 is equal to 0. Take minus 8 common. This is 5 of x minus 1 plus 2 of y minus 2 plus z minus 3 is equal to 0. From this, 5x minus 5 plus 2y minus 4 plus z minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is 5x plus 2y plus z minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we find the perpendicular distance from origin to this plane 1. That is, perpendicular distance from origin is mod d by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. That is modulus of d. This is minus 12 by 5 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. This is 12 by under root of 25 plus 4 plus 1. That is equal to 12 by root 30. This is the perpendicular distance from origin to the given points having position vectors. If the collinear points capital A, capital B, capital C having position vectors respectively 1 comma x comma 3, 3 comma 4 comma 7 and y comma minus 2 comma minus 5, then x plus y is equal to dash. Here the given points are collinear. That is, this is capital A. Capital A is 1 comma x comma 3. This is capital B. So 3 comma 4 comma 7. And capital C, this is y comma minus 2 comma minus 5. These 3 points are collinear points. First, the point B divides AC in the ratio. That is, ratio is equal to, that is z1 minus z is to z minus z2. This is first point A, x comma y, x1 y1 z1, and the B point is x comma y comma z. This is x2 y2 z2. That is z1. This is 3 minus 7 is to 7 plus 5. That is equal to minus 4 is to 12. That is equal to minus 1 is to 3. That means the point B divides in the ratio 1 is to 3 externally. B divides AC in the ratio 1 is to 3 externally. So now we applying external formula, that is mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. This is my2 minus ny1 by m minus n is equal to mz2 minus nz1 by m minus n is equal to B point, that is 3 comma 4 comma 7. Equating x coordinates, that is 1 into, so 1 into y minus 3 into 1 by 1 minus 3 is equal to 3. That is y minus 3 is equal to minus 6, y is equal to 3 minus 6, that is minus 3. This is y value. And equating y coordinates, that is 1 into minus 2 minus 3 into x by 1 minus 3 is equal to 4. This is minus 2 minus 3x is equal to minus 8. So from this 2x is equal to 3x is equal to minus 2 plus 8 is 6, x is equal to 2. Now we find x plus y, that is x value is 2, y value is minus 3. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So this is the value of x plus y, that is minus 1. If a bar comma b bar comma c bar are non-coplanar vectors, If the position vector of the point of intersection of the line r bar is equal to a bar plus 2b bar plus p into a bar minus 2c bar, and the plane r bar is equal to 3a bar minus q into c bar minus b bar plus k into a bar minus b bar plus c bar, is r bar is equal to xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar, then the value of xyz is equal to dash. This is Eamcet 2021, 5th August shift 2 question. Here r bar is given, that is xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar. Substituting in the line equation, that is r bar is equal to a bar plus 2b bar plus p into a bar, pa bar minus 2p into c bar. Here r bar is xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar is equal to a bar plus 2b bar plus pa bar minus 2pc bar. From the equating the coefficients of a bar, that is a bar coefficients, that is x is equal to 1 plus p, and equating the coefficients of b bar, that is y is equal to b bar coefficients is 2, and equating the coefficients of c bar, that is z is equal to c bar coefficients is, that is minus 2p, and this r bar xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar. Substituting in the plane equation, that is plane equation is r bar is equal to 3a bar minus qc bar plus qb bar plus ka bar minus kb bar plus kc bar. Now r bar is, that is xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar is equal to 3a bar minus qc bar plus qb bar plus ka bar minus kb bar plus kc bar. Now equating the coefficients of a bar on both sides, that is x is equal to a bar coefficients is, that is 3 plus k, and b bar coefficients, that is y is equal to, that is q minus k, and c bar coefficients z is equal to, that is minus q plus k. So from this z is equal to, take minus common, that is q minus k. Already q minus k, this is from first equation, this is minus y. So z is equal to minus y. So z value from the first line equations, z value is minus 2p is equal to minus y, that is minus 2, 2 minus 2 cancel, from this p is equal to 1. P value is 1. Substituting p value in x is equal to 1 plus p, that is from this x is equal to 1 plus p, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. Now we find x, y, z. X is 2 and y is 2, z is minus 2, that is equal to minus 8. This is the required answer. The shortest distance between the skew lines, that is r bar is equal to 3i bar plus 4j bar minus 2k bar plus lambda into minus I plus 2j plus k bar, and r bar is equal to I minus 7j minus 2k bar plus mu into I plus 3j plus 2k bar. This is Eamcet 2021 question, 5th August shift 2 question. First equation is given, that is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar, and second equation is r bar is equal to c bar plus mu into d bar. So from this we know that shortest distance, that is shortest distance SD is equal to box of a minus d bd by modulus of b cross d. This is the formula for shortest distance between the skew lines. First we find a bar minus c bar, that is a bar is 3i plus 4j minus 2k minus c bar, this is minus I, plus 7j plus 2k, that is equal to 3i minus I, 2i, 4j plus 7j plus 11j minus 2k plus 2k, this is cancelled. And now we find b cross d. B cross d is equal to I, j, this is k, I, j, k, and b value is minus 1, 2, 1, and c value 1, 3, 2. So that is equal to I of 4 minus 3 minus j of minus 2 minus 1 plus k of minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to 4 minus 3 into I, that is I, plus 3j minus 5k. So modulus of b bar cross d bar is equal to under root of 1 plus 9 plus 25, that is equal to root 35. Now shortest distance SD is equal to, that is a minus c, that value is 2i plus 11j dot b cross d, this is I plus 3j minus 5k by modulus of b cross d, that is root 35, that is equal to 2i dot I2 11i plus 3, this is 33 minus 0 by root 35, and that is 2 plus 33, that is 35 by root 35, that is equal to root 30. This is the shortest distance between the skew lines, that is root 35 units. This is Eamcet 2021 6th August shift 1 question. Here is given if x and y are real numbers such that I plus j plus k minus 2i plus 3j plus 2k, xi minus 5j plus 3k, and I plus yj minus k are position vectors of 4 coplanar points, then the locus of px comma y is dash. Here is given first point capital A 1 1 1, and second point B is given minus 2 3 2, and third point C is x minus 5 3, and fourth point D, that is 1 comma y comma minus 1. Given these 4 points lies on a plane, that means plane equation is, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and this is x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1, this is x4 minus x1, y4 minus y1, z4 minus z1 is equal to 0. x2 minus x1, that is minus 2 minus 1, this value is minus 3, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1. Second one x minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 6, 3 minus 1 2, and 1 minus 1 0, y minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So now find the determinant of this. This is minus 3 of 6 into 2 minus 6 into minus 2, this is 12, minus 2 into minus 1, that is 2y plus 2, minus 2y plus 2, minus 2 of, this is x minus 1 into minus 2, this is minus 2x plus 2, that is 0 into 2 0 plus 1 into, so x minus 1 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is minus 3 into 12 plus 2 14, that is minus 3 into 14, this is minus 42 plus 3 2s are 6y plus 4x minus 4 plus this is xy minus x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. First we write, and this is xy this is xy, and 4x minus x, this is plus 3x, and 6y minus y, this is 5y, minus 42 minus 4, this is minus 46, minus 46 plus 1, minus 45 is equal to 0. So take x common in first two terms, that is x into y plus 3. So plus 5y is equal to 45. So add 15 on both sides, that is x into y plus 3 plus 5y plus 15 is equal to, this is 45 plus 15. Now take 5 common in these two, that is x into y plus 3, 5 common, this is y plus 3 is equal to 60. Again y plus 3 take common, that is x plus 5 is equal to 60. This is the locus of the given 4 vectors of 4 coplanar points, that is x plus y into y plus 3 is equal to 60. The direction cosines of the supporting line of the vector I bar plus j bar minus 2k bar are. This is Eamcet 2021, 6th August, shift to 1 question. Find the direction cosines. First we find direction ratios of the given vector, that is direction ratios are denoted by a comma b comma c are 1 comma 1 comma minus 2. And now we find a square plus b square plus c square under root, that is 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 whole square is equal to root 6. Now direction cosines dc's is equal to, that is dividing by root 6. Direction ratios are dividing by root 6, that is first one is 1 by root 6, second one is 1 by root 6, this is minus 2 by root 6. This is the direction cosines of the supporting line to the given vector. Suppose ABCD is a pentagon. The resultant vector of the vectors AB bar, AE bar, BC bar, DC bar, ED bar and AC bar is. This is Eamcet 2021, 6th August shift 1 question. So now we find the resultant of the vectors, that is resultant means add these all, that is AB bar plus AE bar plus BC bar plus DC bar plus ED bar plus AC bar. Now we write AB bar. Now start with B bar vector is, that is BC bar. This is 1 unit. And next AE bar. Next written as starting with E bar is, that is ED bar. And starting with D bar is, this is DC bar plus AC bar. That is AB bar plus BC bar. This is AC bar. AE bar plus ED bar, that is AD bar. AD bar plus DC bar, that is AC bar plus AC bar. Here AC bar plus AC bar plus AC bar, that is equal to 3 AC bar. If A bar is equal to I bar plus J bar plus K bar and C bar is equal to J bar minus K bar, A bar cross B bar is equal to C bar and A bar dot B bar is equal to 3. Then the vector B bar is dash. This is Eamcet 2021, 6th August, shift 1 question. Here is given A cross B is equal to C bar. Now applying cross product with A bar, that is A bar cross B bar is equal to A bar cross C bar. That is A bar cross C bar means, that is IJK. A bar vector is IJK coefficients 1 comma 1 comma 1 and C bar is 0 1 minus 1. Now find the determinant of this. I of minus 1 minus j into minus 1 minus 0 plus k of 1 minus 0, that is equal to minus 2i plus j plus k. This is the vector a bar cross a bar. Now applying triple product, that is a bar cross b bar, that is a bar dot b bar into a bar minus a bar dot a bar into b bar, that is equal to minus 2i plus j plus k. Given a bar dot b bar, in problem a bar dot b bar is given, that is this is 3a bar minus a bar dot a bar, this is mod a square into b bar, that is equal to minus 2i plus j plus k. 3a bar, that means that is multiplying by a bar with 3, that is 3i bar plus 3j bar plus 3k bar minus mod a square, this is 3b bar, that is equal to minus 2i plus j plus k. From this 3b bar is equal to 3i bar plus 3j bar plus 3k bar plus 2i minus j minus k, that is equal to 3i plus 2i, 5i, 3j minus j, this is 2j and 2k. From this b bar is equal to, that is 5 by 3 into I plus 2 by 3 into j plus 2 by 3 into k. This is the vector b bar. If the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the point I bar plus 2j bar plus k bar and parallel to the vector 2i bar plus 3j bar plus k bar and minus I plus 2j minus 3k is ax plus by plus cz is equal to 1. Then the value of 18 into a plus b plus c is equal to dash. This is Eamcet 2021, 6th August, shift 1 question. Here is the plane passing through the point I plus 2j plus k. Here given point capital A is 1, 2, 1. That means plane passing through 1, 2, means L into x minus 1 plus m into y minus 2 plus n into z minus 1 is equal to 0. So this plane is parallel to the vectors 2i plus 3j plus k and minus I plus 2j minus 3k. That means 2l plus 3m plus n is equal to 0. This is the first equation, and the second one minus l plus 2m minus 3n is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So solving these two, that is L, M, N. This is written as 3, M coefficient is 3, N coefficient 1, L coefficient 2 and repeating 3. This is 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. This is L by minus 9 minus 2, that is M by minus 1 plus 6, that is N by 4 plus 3. So L by minus 9 minus 2 is minus 11, M by 5, that is equal to N by 7. So these are the LMN values. So substituting in the given equation, that is minus 11 into x minus 1 plus 5 into y minus 2 plus n value 7 into z minus 1 is equal to 0. This is minus 11x plus 5y plus 7z plus 11 minus 10 minus 7 is equal to 0. From this minus 11x plus 5y plus 7z, 11 minus 10, 1, 1 minus 7, this is minus 6 is equal to 0. From this is minus 11x plus 5y plus 7z is equal to 6. So this is plane dividing by 6, that is minus 11 by 6 into x, 5 by 6 into y, 7 by 6 into z is equal to 1. So this is given in the problem, that is ax plus by plus cz is equal to 1. From this a value minus 11 by 6, b value 5 by 6, c value 7 by 6. Now we find the value of 18 into, that is a plus b plus c, that is equal to 18 into, that is minus 11 by 6 plus 5 by 6 plus 7 by 6. That is 18 into 5 plus 7, 12, 12 minus 11, this is 1 by 6. 6 3 times cancelled, that is equal to 3. So the value of 18 into a plus b plus c is equal to 3. And this is the required answer. Consider the 4 points, capital A 1 minus 2 minus 1 and capital B 4 0 minus 3, capital C 1 comma 2 comma minus 1 and capital D 2 comma minus 4 comma minus 5 in a space if small b bar is equal to ab bar and small c bar is equal to ac bar and d bar is equal to ad bar. Then box of b cross c, c cross d, d cross b by box of b plus c, c plus d, d plus b is equal. This is Eamcet 2021 shift to 2, 6th August shift to 2 question. Here small b bar is given. Small b bar is equal to ab bar. Ab bar means OB bar minus OA bar. That is OB bar, that is 4 0 minus 3. This is 4 minus 1, 0 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. That is equal to 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 2. And small c bar is equal to given. This is AC bar. AC bar means OC bar minus OA bar. That is 1 minus 1, 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0 comma 4 comma 0. And d bar is given, that is d bar is equal to ad bar, that is od bar minus oa bar, that is od bar 2 minus 1 minus 4 plus 2 minus 5 plus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 minus 5 plus 1. This is minus 4. So now we know that is box of b cross c, c cross d, d cross b is equal to box b c d whole square. Now we find box BCD. Box of BCD is equal to, that is 3, 2, minus 2, 0, 4, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 4. That is equal to 3 of 4 into minus 4, minus 16, minus 0, minus 2 of 0, minus 0. This is 0, minus 2 of 0 minus 4, this is minus 4. 3 into minus 16, minus 48. This is minus 2 into minus 4, this is plus 8, this is equal to minus 40. Now box of BCD whole square is equal to minus 40 whole square is equal to 1600. So now we find B box of B bar plus C bar plus D bar plus B bar, that is equal to B bar plus C bar, that is B bar plus C bar is, that is 3 plus 0, this is 3, 2 plus 4, 6, minus 2 plus 0, this is minus 2, and C bar plus D bar, that is 0 plus 1, 1, 4 minus 2, 2, 0 minus 4 minus 2. D bar plus B bar, that is 1 plus 3, 4, minus 2 plus 2, 0, minus 4 minus 2, this is minus 6, that is equal to 3 of This is minus 12 minus 6 into, so minus 6 plus 16 minus 2 of 0 minus 8. So that is equal to 3 into minus 12. This is minus 36. 16 minus 6, 10. 10 into minus 6, minus 60 plus 8 2s are 16. That is equal to minus 36 plus 16 minus 20 minus 60. This is minus 80. Now we find box of, that is box of D cross C, C cross D, D cross B by box of D bar plus C bar, C bar plus D bar, D bar plus B bar. Numerator value is 1600. This is minus 80. So 0 0 cancel, 8 2 times cancel. That is equal to minus 20. The value is minus 20. This is the required answer. If A bar comma B bar comma C bar are three unit vectors such that A cross B cross C is equal to half B bar, the angle between A bar and B bar is theta 1 and angle between A bar and C bar is theta 2. Then find the value of theta 1 plus theta 2. Here is given A bar, B bar, C bar are three unit vectors, that is mod A is equal to mod B is equal to mod C is equal to 1. And given A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to half B bar. Now this is triple product formula. A cross B cross C is equal to, that is A dot C into B bar minus A dot B into C bar, that is equal to half B bar. From this, equating B bar coefficients on both sides, A bar dot C bar is equal to 1 by 2, and equating C bar coefficients, that is A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. A bar dot B bar is equal to 0 means A bar is perpendicular to B bar. That means angle between these two is 90 degrees. 90 degrees means that is theta 1 is equal to 90 degrees. And A dot C is equal to 1 by 2. Mod A mod C into cos, angle between AC is given theta 2, that is 1 by 2. Here mod A mod C 1. From this cos theta 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Theta 2 is equal to 60 degrees. Now we find theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 plus 60, that is equal to 150 degrees. That is 5 pi by 6. This is the required answer. If alpha comma beta are scalars and R bar is equal to 2 plus alpha minus 3 beta into I bar plus beta minus 3 into J bar plus 2 alpha minus 5 beta minus 1 into K bar is equation of a plane, then the equation in Cartesian form. This is Eamcet 2021, 6th August, shift to 2 question. Where R bar is given, that is R bar is equal to 2 plus alpha minus 3 beta into I plus beta minus 3 into J plus 2 alpha minus 5 beta minus 1 into K bar. We know that R bar, that is xi plus yj plus zk, that is equal to 2 plus alpha minus 3 beta into I plus beta minus 3 into J plus 2 alpha minus 5 beta minus 1 into K bar. Equating I bar comma J bar comma K bar coefficients, that is x is equal to 2 plus alpha minus 3 beta and y is equal to beta minus 3 and z is equal to 2 alpha minus 5 beta minus 1. So from this beta is equal to y plus 3. Substituting in third equation, that is z is equal to 2 alpha minus 5 beta, 5 into y plus 3 minus 1. From this z is equal to 2 alpha minus 5y minus 15 minus 1. From this z plus 5y minus 15 minus 1 minus 16, take this side, this is plus 16 is equal to 2 alpha. So from this alpha is equal to z plus 5y plus 16 by 2. Substituting this value in x, that is x is equal to 2 plus alpha, that is z plus 5y plus 16 by 2 minus 3 beta, beta is y plus 3. So take LCM, that is 2x is equal to 4 plus z plus 5y plus 16 minus 6y minus 18. So from this 2x, here 5y minus 6y minus y, take this side, that is plus y plus z, take this side, this is minus z is equal to 4 plus 16, 20, that is 20 minus 18, that is 2. This is the equation of the plane in Cartesian form, that is 2x plus y minus z is equal to 2. If pi bar minus 2j bar plus 3k bar, comma 2i bar plus 3j bar minus 4k bar, comma 4i bar plus 13j minus 18k bar are position vectors of three collinear points capital A, capital B, capital C respectively, then the vector in the direction of AB bar of length mod P units is dash. This is Eamcet 2021, 6th August shift 2 question. That means given position vectors are collinear. Collinear means determinant of that value is equal to 0. That is P minus 2, 3. And second vector 2, 3 minus 4. And this is 4, 13 minus 18 is equal to 0. That is equal to P of 3 into minus 18, that is minus 52, 54 minus 54 minus 13 into minus 4, that is plus 52 plus 2 into minus 18 minus 36 plus 16 plus 3 into 2 into 13, 26 minus 12 is equal to 0. Here minus 54 plus 52, that is minus 2p plus 2 into minus 20, this is minus 40, that is minus 40 plus 3 into 26 minus 12, this is 14, 14 into 3, this is 42 is equal to 0. From this minus 2p plus 2 is equal to 0. From this 2p is equal to 2, p is equal to 1. Now here is given then the vector in the direction of AB bar, that is AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar. OB bar is, that is 2i plus 3j minus 4k minus OA bar multiplying by minus, that is pi, this is p value is 1 minus I plus 2j minus 3k, that is equal to 2i minus I, 3j plus 2j, this is 5j minus 4k minus 3k, this is minus 7k. Now find modulus of AB bar, that is equal to 1 plus 25 plus 49, that is root 75, that is equal to 25 into 3, that is equal to 5 root 3. Now the vector in the direction of AB bar, in the direction means that is AB bar by modulus of AB bar with length mod P units, that is into mod P, that is equal to AB bar, this is pi I plus 5j minus 7k by 5 root 3 into mod p is 1, that is equal to I plus 5j minus 7k by 5 root 3. That is the required answer.